How to make curry chicken. Slicing the onions, making slices. Squeeze the orange. Slicing the chicken. Share this with your friends. Grating the ginger. Pouring the olive oil. Chicken to the skillet. Chicken almost done. Onions. Drizzle olive oil. Adding the ginger. Cooking. Adding orange juice. Adding curry. Making the sauce. Cinnamon. Adding the mango chutney. Stirring it together. Adding the orange juice again. Smells great. Adding 2 cups of pineapple. Blend it together. Other cup of raisins. Adding a little bit more chutney. Adding onions back. Adding the chicken. I did it. Let's see. Yummy.